Hi guys, my name is Sana and welcome back to my channel. From the title of the video, you must have figured out that today we are going to be talking about my empties. ये empties मैंने कुछ 2-3 months में collect किए हैं. It took me a lot of time to empty out these products. I use each and every product. I try to use each and every product that I buy or is sent to me. मुझे products waste करना बिल्कुल भी अच्छा नहीं लगता. तो these are the empties that I have collected through I think 2-3 months. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the basket of empties that I have collected. Let's get started with something that जो मैं पहले बहुत यूज़ करती थी लेकिन अब मैं उतना यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ because I think that they are not very environment friendly, they are not very sustainable, but I am trying to finish off जो भी मेरे पास है. तो these I am talking about makeup wipes. So here I have the Himalaya का makeup wipes and ये एक मेरे घर के पास एक मॉल है जहाँ पर I was trying to find Miniso but it was not there. I needed some wipes and some cotton pads and stuff, but they were like Miniso was not there. There was this other shop called as Zimi Vogue and I found these wipes there. ये बहुत अच्छे हैं, इतने ऐसे rectangular shape के छोटे छोटे से. So if you need if you need something which is smaller and आपको बड़ा वाला wipe waste नहीं करना है तो these were pretty handy. But I am trying to move away from wipes क्योंकि these are not very environment friendly. Same goes for sheet masks. Now sheet mask also initially there was a very big hype कि वो sheet mask बहुत hydrated रखता है ऐसा वैसा. मेरी oily skin है and I don't really enjoy using sheet mask that much. If you have dry skin I can still understand that आपको sheet mask अच्छे लगते होंगे, but to me they are pretty okayish. But this is the Klairs Midnight 2 Calming sheet mask. If you have like irritated skin, अगर आपको acne issues हैं, sunburns हो जाते हैं, so this is a very good sheet mask जो hydrate भी करता है और आपकी skin को calm down भी करता है. Now let's move on to some bath products. So this is a body scrub. ये मेरी cousin ने मुझे दिया था, like she had gifted it to me when she came back from Australia. This is from Bloomfield, their rose champagne, rose water and ivy variant. It had a really good smell. It had like mild sugar particles. बहुत अच्छा है ये. It is not available over here. It was good while it lasted, but we also have a lot of options available here. The next thing is this shampoo. This is the Wella का Nutri Enrich with goji berry shampoo. This my bhabhi uses. She absolutely swears by this product. She does not use any other shampoo. Whenever she goes to any other shampoo, she comes back to this one because उनको ऐसा लगता है कि इसके अलावा उनको कोई और shampoo सूट नहीं करता. So this she swears by. और उनके बाल I can vouch for it. Like this shampoo works really well for her because she has like really nice straight thick long hair. Touch wood, that's a really good thing. So that's something that she loves. उनका कंडीशनर भी सेम ही वो वेला का ही यूज़ करते हैं, बट दैट्स नॉट ओवर येट. द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज दिस निविया कोको बटर बॉडी लोशन. आई एम नॉट समबडी हु लाइक्स टू यूज़ बॉडी लोशंस, पर बीच में मुझे एक एलर्जिक रिएक्शन हो गया था बिकॉज ऑफ विच माई बॉडी हैड बिकम लाइक रियली ड्राई एंड माई स्किन लाइक माई बॉडी स्किन हैड बिकम लाइक रियली ड्राई. So the dermat told me that you have to use some lotions. So I had started using the Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion. It is really good. It hydrates my skin, moisturizes my skin very well. And at that time because I had like really dry skin and I was taking medications also, तो तब मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा क्योंकि मेरी स्किन काफ़ी ड्राई थी. Now because medication और सब करके now my skin is like all right. So then it became a little heavy for me. Like I don't like that greasy oily kind of feeling. So my skin is like normalish now. So I switched to body yogurts. Body yogurts are something that I enjoy much more than body like thick creams or lotions or something. But if you have dry skin then you will definitely love this one. The next thing is this Miniso का moisturizing lotion. This is something that नहीं lotion नहीं, this is essence like it was something like a lotion only. So Miniso जब open हुआ था तभी मैंने जाके वहाँ पर like I had bought some skincare also because it was really hyped like Miniso का skincare and stuff. But after I bought it I waited for like a long time. मैं उसको सिर्फ रखा था. तो उसके बाद I realized that do I really want to use it on my face? Like I was very skeptical that do I really want to use it on my face? What if my face has some reaction to it or whatever? I don't know. I read the ingredients as well and because I've been using good skincare products with like मैं उनके ingredients properly पढ़ती हूँ, formulations देखती हूँ कैसे है. So I have given my skin like very good formulations. I'm not saying that this is a bad formulation, but I was personally very skeptical that should I be using this on my face. So that is why I used it as a body lotion, and this was perfect for me because like I said, I don't like that oily greasy feeling, and this one was perfect क्योंकि ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी oily greasy feeling नहीं दे रहा था. ये बहुत अच्छे से hydrate कर रहा था, and like it was, my body was enjoying that as a body lotion. The next thing is this face wash. This is from Blue Heaven. I had gotten this in a subscription box. I don't think whether this is available anymore on Nykaa, Amazon. मैंने सर्च करने की कोशिश की थी, but I couldn't find it anywhere. But I used it like once or twice on my face, and then I didn't really enjoy it. मतलब वो स्किन को अच्छे से क्लीन नहीं कर रहा था, मुझे अच्छा फीलिंग नहीं आ रहा था. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई यूज्ड इट एज माई ब्रश क्लेंजर. लाइक मेरे जो भी मेकअप ब्रशेज थे, आई यूज टू यूज दिस फॉर क्लीनिंग देम, एंड देन लेटर ऑन आई गॉट सो bored of it because I don't have a lot of makeup brushes, I don't use a lot of makeup, so it was just lying over there. So I used it as a hand wash. I generally tend to do this. जो face washes या ऐसे कुछ मुझे पसंद नहीं आते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, तो I tend to use them as body washes. Now I've become very like, I look at the product ingredients and I look at the formulations. I read a lot of reviews and then only I buy products. But ऐसे होता है ना that sometimes you just get something or you just buy something because they look nice, and then later on you realize that oh, ये मुझे सूट नहीं हो रहा है. So that is why if these are face washes, then I try to use them as a hand wash or a body wash. So that was something that was a hand wash for me. And the next thing is this Mamaearth ka Ubtan face wash. Now this is a misleading term. It's not a face wash, it is a face scrub. ये इसका मैंने full रिव्यू किया है अपनी चैनल पे. आई विल लीव अ लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. यू शुड चेक इट आउट इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर. बट इन अ brief review, I can say that I really like using this. It was not harsh for me. If you have sensitive skin, if you have active acne, then you might not enjoy this because इसमें scrub particles हैं. लेकिन I have like normal oily skin type, लेकिन मतलब बिल्कुल भी sensitive नहीं है. So I enjoyed using this. I used to use it like once or twice a week. एंड बहुत ही माइल्डली आपको स्क्रब करना है क्योंकि इसके पार्टिकल्स कुछ लोगों को काफ़ी हार्श और अब्रेसिव लगते हैं. पर्सनली मैंने ये नहीं एक्सपीरियंस किया, मुझे इसका टेक्सचर काफ़ी अच्छा क्रीमी लगता है. बट इफ़ you are skeptical, then you can skip this because maybe physical scrubs are not for you. But if you like physical scrubs, if you like these kind of scrubs, then I would say that it really helped to brighten up my skin, and I really enjoyed using this. The next face wash is the Himalaya Deep Cleansing Apricot Face Wash. This was also a really good face wash, very affordable as well. This was also something that my bhabhi used. उनकी skin sensitive नहीं है, but she has these bouts where her skin becomes sensitive and then nothing else suits her. So that is when she uses या तो Himalaya का neem face wash या तो ये, and she really enjoys using this. It cleans her face very well. It's really mild and very affordable also. So the next thing that I emptied out is this Lancome का Hydra Zen essence. This was a really good essence if you have dry skin, like very dry skin, और सिर्फ एक moisturizer से आपका काम नहीं बनता है. That this is something that you should definitely try out क्योंकि it has like a gel kind of consistency when you take it on your hand. But when I used to apply it on my face, it was like I am splashing water on my face. Like it was so hydrating and it felt so good. After washing my face, I used to just apply this and my face used to feel nice and hydrated. So this is from Lancome. You can try it out. The next thing is this Coxir ka Vita C Bright Serum. It was a good serum. Actually, I don't really have many thoughts about this one because I emptied this out, like you can see, but I couldn't see a major difference. I could not see whether I liked it. I did not like it. मतलब मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. It did not do anything bad to my skin, but it did not do anything extraordinary that I would say that oh, you need to try this out. I am very on the fence about this, doubtful about this. I have tried Coxir Vita C ka eye cream also. It was in one of my MT's videos and it's a really good eye cream. It really helps with your under eye dark circles and all. बहुत अच्छा eye cream है. The next thing, let's talk about the lotions or the moisturizers. This is the Face Shop Chia Seed Lotion, hydrating lotion. This is amazing. This is a really good lotion. If you have oily to normal skin, then definitely you should check this out. ये आपकी स्किन को बहुत ही सॉफ्ट और मॉइस्चराइज करता है. It does not leave your skin like oily or greasy. It's a really good lotion. You can use this on your face, you can use this on your body. It's that good. Like, और ये काफ़ी पुराना है. I think because this Face Shop has revamped their packaging, so ये मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से था. So now I have emptied it out because I was saving this for some reason because it's really good. So but I thought that I can always repurchase it and you should definitely try it out. ये बहुत अच्छा है. The next thing I have is this Clinique का Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. If you have dry skin, then definitely try this. It's really moisturizing. It's like a thick cream. But if you have oily skin, you will not enjoy this. I have oily skin and I felt that it was very heavy on my skin. To some extent, I also felt that it was clogging my pores. And I did not enjoy using this on my face. But like I said, मुझे वो itchiness का allergic reaction हुआ था. That time I used this on my body because my body really needed that moisturizing factor. So that's why I used this on my body at that time and I really enjoyed using this. But if you have dry skin, then definitely give this a shot. This is like really moisturizing for dry skin especially. Next thing that I finished out is this Jumiso ka AC Cure Spot Cream. If you have acne prone skin, then आँख बंद करके just get this. This is such a good spot treatment. I had major acne issues और मुझे कुछ भी काम नहीं कर रहा था मेरी स्किन पे. Like I was taking care of my skin. मेरी लाइफस्टाइल भी मैंने कितना चेंज करने की कोशिश की थी. I was like नहीं, this just I had a lot of acne issues. But this, you just take it on your finger, apply it on your acne. It's not like सिर्फ अप्लाई नहीं करना, यू हैव टू मसाज इट जेंटली ऑन योर एक्ने. लाइक पूरे जो भी हैं आप जहाँ पर भी आपका एक्ने हुआ है वहाँ पर यू जस्ट मसाज इट एंड एक दिन में आपको एक्चुअली डिफरेंस दिखेगा. एंड इन 2-3 days यू विल एक्चुअली नोटिस दैट अगर वो छोटा मोटा एक्ने है तो फिर तो वो चला ही जाएगा. अगर वो बहुत ज़्यादा आपको एक्ने हुआ है देन एटलीस्ट आई थिंक 70 to 80% डिफरेंस आपको दिखेगा इन जस्ट 2-3 days. एंड आई हैव सीन इट एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी, माई कलीग्स, माई लाइक द जहाँ पर मैं काम करती हूँ वहाँ पर भी मेरे कलीग्स ने भी मुझसे ये मांग के लेते थे whenever they used to have acne. One of my colleagues sister-in-law had some acne issue और उसको कोई शादी का फंक्शन अटेंड करना था and she was like I need some quick fix and she borrowed this from me. It's that good. It's expensive. I think it's for like 1300 or 1400, I'm not sure, but it is worth it and it lasts for a long time. मुझे ये पता नहीं कब, like it's been like a long time and trust me everybody has used this. That is why it's over. If अगर मैं ही अकेले यूज़ करी होती तो ख़त्म नहीं हुआ होता. But it is super. Definitely get it. It's available on Beauty Ban. I will leave a link in the description box below. It is amazing. Just get it. The next thing, let's talk about some eye creams. I have 2 eye creams. One is the Belif Moisturizing Eye Balm. This was a creamy eye cream. मतलब उसका creamy texture था. And I did not like this. I think it's Belif is quite a luxe brand. It is expensive. And for that I did not really think that this was worth the money. मुझे ये इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा and काफ़ी आई वुड से दैट थोड़ा सा हैवी और थोड़ा सा ग्रीसी फीलिंग दे रहा था ये मेरे अंडर आइज़ को और वो मतलब इट वॉज नॉट दैट ग्रेट. ऑन द अदर हैंड आई ऑल्सो यूज़ दिस क्लिनिक मॉइस्चर सर्ज का आई क्रीम एंड इट इज़ अमेजिंग. इट्स रियली एक्सपेंसिव. अगर वो उतना एक्सपेंसिव नहीं होता तो शायद मैं ये रिपर्चेज़ करती. उसका जो फुल डब्बा है वो शायद मैं रिपर्चेज़ करती इफ़ इट वॉज नॉट दैट एक्सपेंसिव. बट इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु वांट्स टू इन्वेस्ट, इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु रियली वांट्स टू यूज़ एन आई क्रीम विच इज़ रियली गुड, यू नो आपकी बहुत ड्राई अंडर आई एरिया है, देन डेफिनेटली गेट दिस. इट गिव्स लाइक अ नाइस सूदिंग फीलिंग. एकदम हाइड्रेट कर देता है आपके अंडर आई को. बहुत अच्छा फीलिंग आता है ये. दिस इज़ रियली गुड. नेक्स्ट लास्ट 2 products. There is this makeup remover Plum का Nature Studio Easy Going makeup remover. This is a good makeup remover. इसका भी full review आपको मिलेगा मेरी चैनल पे. I will leave a link in the description box below. It is a good makeup remover, works. लेकिन would I repurchase? Would I recommend? No. Because it leaves a oily film on the skin. आपको face wash तो आप यूज़ करेंगे ही, but still it doesn't feel nice. It's not that great. And another problem is that it's very expensive. फॉर द क्वांटिटी आई थिंक गार्नियर का आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं, पॉन्ड्स का आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दे डू द सेम और सिमिलर जॉब, in fact the same job, and they are more affordable. This is not that affordable, this is quite expensive, so I wouldn't really recommend this. बट आई रियली होप दैट यू नो इसका पैकेजिंग कुछ ऐसा होता कि मैं इसको ओपन करके अंदर दूसरा कोई स्प्रे भर सकती, बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द पैकेजिंग, इट्स रियली क्यूट. The next and the last product that I have over here is the Clinique Moisture Surge का face spray, the mist. It was a really good mist, gave like it was a boost of hydration, refresh कर देता था मेरे face को. I really liked, I really enjoyed using this. मेरे पास इतना सारा Clinique Moisture Surge का product इसलिए है because नायका के Pink Friday sale में they had this Clinique का box wherein Clinique Moisture Surge cream था, मास्क था, ओवरनाइट मास्क, स्प्रे एंड आई क्रीम. सो आई बॉट दैट एंड बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई आउट ऑल द क्लिनिक प्रोडक्ट्स एट दैट टाइम. एंड मॉइस्चर सर्च का जो क्रीम है दैट इज़ लाइक रियली रियली गुड. सो आई गॉट दीज ऑल्सो. If I can find it on Nykaa, if it is still available, then I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. If you are somebody who wants to try out Clinique products, then I think this is the best deal. बहुत ही अच्छा कुछ प्राइस था, I don't remember क्या प्राइस था उसका. If I can find the link, मैं नीचे description box में दे दूँगी, आपको definitely check out करना चाहिए if you are somebody who wants to try out Clinique products. So those were my empties, and if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. You can also follow me on Instagram. I will leave a link in the description box below. I post a lot of reviews. I post a lot of deals over there, or sometimes I also have a lot of giveaways over there. So अभी भी I think कोई तो giveaway वहाँ पर चालू है मेरा. So definitely check out my Instagram as well. I will leave a link in the description box below. Don't leave without subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Bye.